What it do with your boy Sincere B? Yes, I'm semi back, and I have a lot of unboxings to do. A lot of companies have been sending me products, so I definitely want to get these things out first as far as my comeback. But yeah, I am here. I'm not getting into details why I've been. I just needed a long break, and now I'm back, y'all. But let's get into this unboxing. The people over at Cell-phonecover.com sent me out an iPad Pro 12.9 case and the iPhone 10 case. So we'll be looking at those right now. So the first thing we're looking at, the iPad case. This is they call it the 2018 Best Painted iPad Pro Cartoon Leather Protective Case Cover. This is the one we have now. There's different styles of this. You can see here. Hopefully you can see that. No real details for as about it, but the description of it is waterproof, anti-scratch proof, is HD printed pattern, and then there's a high PVC material, and that's pretty much the sum of it for details. I have a link down below for the site, and then we also go take a look at one of the cases they sent me. This is the Love Pattern case cover for the iPhone 10. But it looks like they have it for the iPhone 7 to 8, 7 to 8 Plus, 6S, and 6X Plus also. So, and that's a link down below for this case also. And this is really just plastic material. So it's just a plastic case for your iPhone 10. So we're gonna look at both of those items right now. Let's get into it. So a lot of companies have been sending me products. This is one of them right here. I got more stuff coming, and I'm so far behind on these. So catch up is definitely gonna be happening. All right, here we go. So this is the iPad Pro case here. It is not real leather. Just make sure we understand that. Nice little design on the front, kind of Christmassy, you know. On the back, same kind of material. Little star opening for the camera. Now this part, I have looked at this case already. This on the bottom, I don't know what I couldn't translate all of it. It wouldn't translate for some reason. I'm not sure what this says, but I think if they're going to be selling stuff in the States, people are going to want to know what that is. So this needs to be probably translated into English, you know, or put something in the package that lets you know what this is saying, because I don't know what it's saying. It might be saying something good, something bad, or maybe just about the product itself. I don't know what people may be thinking. So other than that, the case feels good. Let's open it up. Got a little cover here. Got some hair right there. Hard plastic right here. Got a little company branding right here. Moroc. All the cutouts and everything. Let's go ahead and put the pad in there. Again, this is the iPad Pro 12.9. It fits in real easy and simple. Close it up. Rocker open. Mic good. Camera open. That's good. Speakers open. Headphone jack. Sleep button good. Power and the two speakers on the bottom. Everything good. It does add weight to it, so you know you're carrying something. You won't forget your iPad somewhere. You want to just carry it like this, and it feels good. So nice protection. Pretty thick, sturdy material. Everything open and opens very well. So let's check out look at the iPhone 10 case that Cell Phone Cover sent me. This is the hard case. Come with the case. Now I opened this up before too. So I tell you now, this did not come broken. I broke it. So, and it comes with wipes for wet and dry. And what happened was I got it and I opened it up and like, okay, the screen protector here. When I felt it was so thick. I couldn't believe how thick it was. So I bent it, and that what happened right there. It broke easy. So it didn't come broken. I did it myself, but just know that it is a really thick screen, and it's not that flexible. So when you get it, be careful when you put it on there, because you might break it. So I'm glad it did break, so I tell you and show you that. So that's all it came with that. Let's go and put the case on here. I like to go with the volumes in first. Slide in easy. And that's it. It's on pretty simple. Feels really good. It feels it's plastic, but it has a rubbery feel to it. Real good feel to it. You can feel the patterns in there. The grooves and the patterns, so that's cool. Camera, it's not really a ridge on the camera, but the camera's not sticking out, so it did take away that little hump. So you can see It's a little rock to it, but not much. And I am on this blanket. So on the side, everything's open. Top, nothing there, of course. On the side, everything open. The bottom, the speakers are good. The power is good. Overall, good case. Got a little bit of raise right there. You could just lay your phone flat down. Don't have to worry about it. And that's a pretty simple protection. Not maximum protection on it, but it is minimal. But it is a nice looking case. It feels good in the hand, as Floss would say. So these are two things they send out to us again. And again, I have a link down below. All you got to do is click on the link, and it will take you over to cellphonecover.com, and here where you can find the case for the iPad Pro 12.9 and then the iPhone 10 case, the hard case that they made. So thanks to those guys for sending that product out. I do love it. Only gripe I have about this product is really just this right here, and that's it. Other than that, I think you'll like it, and I have a link down below. So go ahead and leave comments down below. Thanks for watching. Come again to bring 18 friends. It's your boy Sincere B. I'm back. I see you real soon, y'all. I'm out of here. Peace. That's really like a square X. It's bye.
Ha baby, sinani lately, shkundi muj s'pom, edhe dhe I treti Sanet po ndrojnë të më nuk oni njeti, ka jo shtjami ama jo bashiketi, leti shoqit që t'fun s'jap